Step 1. Open the box and take out the product. Then arrange them neatly. Step 2. Remove the original vehicle screws according to the video. Install the dashboard storage box. Then tighten and fix it with the original vehicle screws. Install the storage box silicone pad. Step 3. Tighten and combine the black disc support and the bracket according to the video. Remove the adhesive backing of the magnetic ring and stick it onto your own phone. Remove the protective film of the magnetic ring to complete the installation.